The Capitol riots investigation, one of the men accused of assaulting fallen Capitol Police Officer Brian Sicknick is going home. And only our chief investigative reporter Eric Flack, you see right there, captured George Tanios on camera as he was walking out of jail. This happening just a few minutes ago. Now here's Eric to explain what's next for him.
George Tanios is headed back to his West Virginia home after a judge ordered his pretrial release today, more than 7 months after he allegedly assaulted fallen Capitol Police Officer Brian Sicknick during the Capitol riot January 6th. Tanios was indicted along with co-defendant Julian Cater on multiple charges, including assault on a federal officer with a dangerous weapon. The Justice Department said the pair purchased pepper spray before traveling to D.C. on January 6th and used it to assault officers, including Officer Sicknick, who died a day later after suffering multiple strokes. Defense attorneys argued that the men only used pepper spray in self-defense after being sprayed themselves, and Tanios' lawyers said his client did not use the spray at all. A judge ordered the two men held without bond pending trial, but the U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals for D.C. filed a unanimous opinion reversing that decision, ordering Tanios released, finding the previous judge had erred in his assessment of Tanios' dangerousness because he has no past felony convictions, no ties to any extremist organizations, and no post-January 6 criminal behavior. In July, that same court issued the opposite ruling for his co-defendant, Julian Cater, finding that it was proper to detain him before trial. Tanios will now be on home imprisonment with an ankle bracelet to monitor him. His attorney told the judge they plan to come back in about 30 days to ask the court to loosen the restrictions so that he can leave his Morgantown, West Virginia home to go to work. Eric Flack, WUSA 9.